How you doing, everybody? Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware here. I'm with Vivek from NVIDIA, and he's got a really cool mobile RTX 4080 demo that I thought you'd like to see. So Vivek, why don't you take it away?
Yeah, so over here we have an RTX 4080, and over here we have our previous generation flagship, the RTX 3080 Ti. So this is running Cyberpunk at 1440p with ray tracing. The GPU, as you can see, is consuming about 150 watts, and we're getting about 65 frames per second out of it. Now, over here with the new RTX 4080, I've artificially constrained the power to 50 watts. So 1/3 of what we're consuming on the 3080 Ti. And you can see, same settings, Cyberpunk 1440p ray tracing. Getting just under 80 frames per second. So RTX 40 series brings a tremendous level of efficiency to the laptop space.
So better performance at a fraction of the power. That's a really cool demo. Thanks, Vivek.
Yep.
And we have one more really cool demo from NVIDIA here. So what you're seeing in front of you now is a brand new Razer Blade 16 machine with Intel 13th Gen and a GeForce RTX 4090 GPU. Now, just this notebook is powering 3 4K displays, and they have this whole simulation set up. As you can see, frame rates are great. Looks absolutely stunning, just running from one notebook. So NVIDIA was also showing off their brand new RTX Video Super Resolution feature. Now this is something that's coming probably in the February timeframe to browsers and some other software. And what it essentially does is it allows NVIDIA to leverage their tensor cores to clean up streamed video. So what you're seeing now, you can see all those blocks on the upper left of this portion of video right now. So right now the feature is disabled, but if NVIDIA turns on the feature, you can see how much better those blocks are cleaned up. Everything is smoothed out. It just, overall, the whole scene looks much better. NVIDIA also unveiled a new GeForce Now tier and made a few updates to the service. The new Ultimate tier will be powered by GeForce RTX 4080s, and this tier will offer up to 4K 120 FPS gaming. And note that existing GeForce RTX 3080 tier subscribers will be automatically upgraded to the new Ultimate tier when it begins rolling out later this month. A new feature coming to GeForce Now is ultra-wide monitor support. Here you can see some ultra-wide gaming happening, and if you look closely to the far right, you'll see that it's all running on this little Mac Mini that's tucked under the side of the display. Finally, there was another demo running on a couple of Microsoft Surface devices. They're actually hidden inside those mid-towers. One Surface was hamstrung by its integrated graphics, while the other was running GeForce Now, and the two setups could be compared side by side. There was also an RTX 3060 powered system running the game locally, and in a blind taste test, a number of folks preferred the GeForce Now setup. The latency improvements are really apparent with the updates NVIDIA has made to the service.